We are at 606 Emmettsburg Avenue, Valparaiso. Yes, the rain has ended. The monsoon, the 100-year rain is over, and we're out here in this lovely spring weather, bringing you another Invest NWI investment property. Check it out. Had to back up to give you the full view. This is a really nice 3-bedroom, 1-bath on a slab. Roof was updated about 10 years ago. Windows were updated fairly recently. Nice vinyl windows. Siding is okay. Let's step on inside. Again, feng shui, baby. Red door. Like the house in Highland. We step into a nice little living area. Let's go over to the first 2 bedrooms and we'll wrap around to the third. So this is bedroom 1. This is the largest of the 2. We got 2 closets. Lots of paneling. Bedroom 2. Now this one is a little different because it has a drop ceiling. Boom, check it out. I think they wanted to make it look warm in here based on the ceiling coming down a little bit, I don't know. Closet, and then this is the bathroom. Looks like they started a project but just didn't quite finish it up. Got a little storage space in here. Water heater, BAM 2010. That's a big water heater, kid. All right, here we go. Bay windows in the living room. Floor around to the eat-in kitchen. It's pretty big. It's the biggest room in the whole house. There's a furnace. Cabinets, obviously. If you're keeping it as a rental, you could probably just throw some a new countertop on top, and maybe keep the cabinets or not. And then come over here to the electrical box. Check it out. Boom. 100. You're good. The rest of the kitchen. Lots of storage. Ceilings. Boom. And let's go over to this 3rd bedroom. Nice window treatments. So we got vinyl flooring throughout, vinyl plank, and tiles. Let's go out the backyard. Rocking a nice backyard. Cool little play set. We've got 2-car garage. As I said, windows were pretty cool. Vinyl, I think it's vinyl. Siding is pretty cool. We got this beautiful big tree in the backyard. If the trees could talk, they would tell a lot of people's business. But anyway, this was 606 Emmettsburg Avenue in Valparaiso. Thanks for watching.